Okay, guys, so there's actually one more little detail that we can add to our little setup of Cosmos, loose Cosmos. Using the etcher the small graphic pen that I had, that I kind of showed you guys in the video. I never really used it. Here's what we can do with this. We can create some cute little berry looking elements in the background of the flowers, just to kind of give it some nice extra foliage, and we don't have to use any paint for that. We can just go directly right into the etcher pens and start creating some. So I'm going to do some over here, and literally you're just kind of adding extensions and then adding little tiny berries to it. So you're creating those little leafy looking things and then just going right in and adding as many of these berries as you want. And you can either fill in the circle that you draw, or you can kind of leave it as is. I am going to leave that to your discretion, what you prefer, and try and make them different sizings, especially of the little tiny circles. That's what I'm referring to, sizing. And this way you have a nice variety of different shapes and sizes. Well, shapes mainly, it's going to be circular mostly, but you know, sometimes if you're doing it rushed and you're not giving it as much detail, then it can be slightly like dots or a little whatever. You guys get the drift. So yeah, so just kind of keep on doing these, and some of them can just be like little dots on the outskirts. So you're kind of going from super detailed to like fading off in the background sort of thing. I'd mostly do that around the edges. If you want to give it a little bit of a curve so it looks like it's kind of dropping down, kind of like the baby's breath, what they typically do. Add some little dots on top of these, top of the stems as well. So just like that, we're going to add a couple of details all around and then enhance this and add these little delicate features, right? I think some would look good here as well, and maybe some up here. So yeah, let's make this a time lapse.